Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are featuring the nautical rope vase that you see on the left. The supplies as always will be linked down below in the description, and there will also be a link to the other project that you see. So let's get into the first project. So our first step is going to be to place the tall vase into the smaller vase like this, so you can get a line of where you want your rope to be glued down. And you want to glue down your rope onto the tall vase but not onto the smaller vase, because we're going to separate these two pieces so that way you can have access to the void that's at the bottom. So you're just going to use hot glue to glue the rope all the way around the rim of the bottom vase, but not to the bottom vase, like this. Next, you're going to separate the two vases and take your bottom vase and create a beaded garland. If you already have a beaded garland, that's great. If you don't, you're going to want to use masking tape or some kind of tape to tape the end of your twine, and then thread the twine through the beads like so to create a beaded garland. Once you have your beaded garland situated, you're going to glue the beads down to the rim of the shorter vase. And I'm gluing every 2 beads, but you can, glue every 1 bead, 3 beads. That part doesn't matter. I'm just trying to do this part slowly because I don't want all the beads to fall off, and I want to make sure that the beads are as close together as possible to conceal the twine that's connecting them. When you get to the end right here, you're going to want to cut off the twine before you glue down the last bead, and then you're going to stick that end piece under or into the hole of the already secured bead. So the loose bead is going to be glued down, and then the end of the twine that's taped is going to be tucked into the holes of the last 2 beads that are connecting. And I'm just using a scissors to kind of stuff it into the hole. Next, you're going to take that same cotton nautical rope that you used on the first vase, and you're going to glue that down right under your wood beads, and you're going to alternate the beads and the rope all the way down till you get to the bottom of the vase. So once you're done, you will have a vase like this, and I think I went through 3 packages of beads and 1 nautical rope. Now you're going to take your LED lights that are optional. This is totally optional, but I like these submersible LED lights because 1, they're submersible, 2, they twist on and the batteries last a long time. And all you have to do is take out this little circle to make it work, and then you twist the top back on, and then you have your lights. And this part is totally optional. You can just use a candle, but I like the idea of having a nightlight in my bathroom so I don't have to plug anything into the wall. And that finishes our project. So if you guys like this video, let me know. Hit that like button, and don't forget the link to the other coastal beach decor project is in the description below. Thanks guys, see you next time.